One evening as I strolled down the Ackagallon road, I met a girl and her name was Faloon, and we had a pleasant walk and we had a little talk by the bright silvery light of the moon. Mind she was no beauty queen, for her teeth were turning green, and she'd a pimple on her nose like a big balloon, and from her breath 'twas plain to see that she'd had scallions for her tea by the bright silvery light of the moon. Ah, says she, I have no charm, but I have a nice wee farm, and you could be its owner very soon, if only you'd decide for to make me your sweet bride by the bright silvery light of the moon. Ah, says I, my darling Jane, you make this plea in vain, for although that I might look a silly loon, I'd rather die a pauper's death than catch the smell of your ile breath by the bright silvery light of the moon.